What's up guys, it's Robe. So today we're gonna be looking at Wake Up, Sauti Sol. So this one is an easy song, only 3 chords. That means if you're in your early stages of learning these how to play the keys, this one you should be able to play it. Guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. Also subscribe to the channel, and if you have any song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that aside, let's zoom in right after this. So this song is in the key of A sharp, though in this tutorial I'll teach you guys how to play it in the key of A. But then if you want to play it in the key of A sharp, just transpose it one step high. So the chord progression is 6, 2, 3, 6. So the 6 is F sharp minor chord, then the 2 is B minor chord, and the 3 is C sharp minor chord. So all those chords are minor chords. So on my left hand I am playing so the F sharp, which is the 6th chord of the key A. So I am playing note A with my small finger and ring finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. Right hand, note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So that's F sharp minor chord, sorry. So the chord that follows is the 2 chord. So this is B minor chord. So on my right hand, I am playing note F sharp with my my ring finger. My pointer finger plays note B, and note D with my thumb. Right hand, note F sharp with my thumb, note B with my middle finger, and note D with my small finger or ring finger. So that's B minor chord. So the chord that follows is the C. This one is an inversion. Actually all those chords are inversions. So this is C sharp minor chord. So on my left hand I am playing note G sharp with my ring finger, note C sharp with my pointer finger, and note E with my thumb. So that's C sharp minor. Right hand, note G sharp with my thumb, note F sharp, C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger or ring finger. So that's C sharp minor chord. So those are the chords that make up this progression, and this progression is the same from start to end. So maybe timing, you could play it like this. So it starts off with the 6th, so you could count it like that. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. So well, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube. Plus, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.